Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to put a tempered glass for the Mi5A. Now I have already made a video on how to put screen guards for it, but I've been getting a lot of requests to find a tempered glass and put that and show them. It's the same process though. Actually, it's just taking the screen out and then put it on the phone. But some people are having problems with it, so they asked me to do this video too. So I'm going to change it. Even though the screen guard is not bad, the one that I bought from Mi and which is still going on is fine. Yes, it does have minute scratches on it now, but that's normal because it's not glass, so it will get scratches. So now I've got a 2.5D glass, hopefully able to see that. So it's a 0.626 mm 2.5D glass. So we're going to put this on the Mi5A now. So first of all, we'll have to remove it. So let's just remove it first. Okay, there goes the previous screen guard. Let me just clean it. Okay, so first of all, you have to make sure that this is clean. There's no dust. Make sure you're in a place where there is no wind blowing, so you do not have any dust particle flying and coming and sitting on it, because once that goes in, then it's a headache. You'll have to remove it. You'll end up washing this the temper glass or the screen guard and putting it back. Then the problem is getting the water out, so that's a lot of headache. So make sure it's clean. Now when it's a tempered glass, you just have one film to remove, so let's remove that. Now there are different ways people put this. So you would have seen a lot of people just keep it like this and then pull this out. I don't do that way. I like to put it like this. What I do is I touch all four corners and maneuver them right in the middle. So my head is going to come in between, you won't be able to see, but still. Okay, so that's it. So all you have to do is put the screen guard on top and then just leave it. It'll automatically stick. There'll be a few bubbles. You just have to rub them out. So since it's a tempered glass, I can just rub them out with my fingers. So a tempered glass is much easier to put than a regular screen guard, because the screen guard gets a lot of bubbles, a lot of dust particle issues, but with a tempered glass it's much easier. So now you'll see a little bit of bubbles here and there. Just press it like that, remove it. Do not put too much of pressure. You don't want to break the screen from inside. Just rub it gently, it goes out. So a lot of people use cloth. I just use my fingers. You can use a cloth also to just rub it out. So that's it, all done. Okay, so that's it, all done, no problems at all. Now let's look at some back covers for the Mi5A. Okay, so these covers have been bought from the China market. Now, one thing about the China market is if you're going to buy something from there, take your phone with you. Because if you do not take your phone with you and you buy the cover and come back home, there might be a situation that it will not fit properly. Now, over here, it does fit properly, but I do see a little bit of shake over here, which I do not like. Now, if you have this kind of a shake, there's a fitting issue, then dust can go in, stay there, and the shake itself will rub against the body and create marks. So I'll not recommend this. It's a good cover if you want it. It's pretty cheap, less than 100 rupees, but it will I'm not very happy with it. It's okay. Let me try this other one. Maybe that one has a better fitting. Okay, so to put it in, you just have to keep it like this, and that's it. Okay, so this is much better in comparison to that one. The grip is much better, it does not move that much, so I like this one. Okay, so let's take a look at the cover itself, the one that is provided by Mi. This is not provided with the phone, you'll have to purchase it separately. So you see that it has got a yellowish tint to it now. This was completely transparent, but with time the transparent ones does get a yellowish tint. Now if you get something which is like this, which has a blackish tint, that is better than these kind. So just advice, in case you're going for this kind of if you're going for a transparent cover, make sure you get something which has a blackish tint to it. If not, it'll end up becoming this way. Now there's nothing wrong with the cover, it's fine, it works fine, everything is fine, it hasn't given off shape of anything or anything, but it does not have the same color. So it's not transparent anymore, it's become a little yellowish translucent kind of a cover. So that's it. So if you like the army style ones, then you can go to the China market and buy it. I would be putting a video very soon, as in today, tomorrow, 2 days time. I'll be putting the video showing you where to go, how to find what you want, and make sure you take your phone with you so that you can see the fitting before you buy it. If not, you'll buy it and come home, and then you will not like the fitting of it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.